together with One Organized Mom. Today we're going to talk about how to get organized for back to school. Why is it that we're so excited when summer comes so we don't have to wake up and make lunches, but as soon as the kids go back to school, we're super excited all over again? I'm going to give you some tips on how to better organize yourself for when school starts. About a week before school starts, get the kids acclimated on their schedule. Get them going to bed at the regular time for when school's in session for school days. Get them to wake up and have breakfast and get dressed at the same time to get them acclimated for school. You're also going to want to get your house in order. Start going through clothes. The clothes that no longer fit them, get rid of them. Go through, get rid of the dirty socks, the socks that don't match. Those little organizing tips are going to really help you once school's back in session. Get all the paperwork completed. If the kids are going to be in sports, make sure that they have all their physicals done. Get all the paperwork back in time so you're not stressed out and turning it in late. Create a calendar. For each child, you can color code who's going to go to ballet or to soccer or piano lessons. Having a schedule for yourself is most important, and if you're organized and on schedule, the kids will too. Have a weekly menu plan. Write out what you're going to make every night for dinner. Go to the grocery store on one day versus 3 or 4 during the week for all the kids' snacks, lunch, and dinner. That way the kids will come home at the end of the day, they'll see what's for dinner, they'll be on schedule too. I hope this tip helps. If you have any questions, join us on social media. And in the meantime, don't forget to call One Organized Mom for all your cleaning needs.